Countdown timer, something pre-show stuff. I've got sprites in there. That's what I want. Oh, itchy nose. Countdown timer. Whoopsie. No, add existing file. Okay, there's my sprites. You'll try it on your home internet at the weekend. Shouldn't be the internet. It won't be the internet. Internet doesn't bloody stop you from going onto a chat session. It's going to be look at incognito mode. Because it's a port 80 thing, so it doesn't care. If you can browse a web page, you can go to a chat site. So the only things that won't work is I don't know what the underlying. Actually, I wonder if I can. What's the source? Yeah. .js. Tablet, phone, and PC not working. It could be user error. It could be pebcac. Right, so we have. There is certainly some JavaScript. There's JavaScript stuff in this, so it's possible that is blocked. Yeah, exactly. So it's not going to be.
Hi.
Say hello to everyone.
Oh. Hi.
Hey, there's only one person, and he's on there, Gary.
Gary, don't worry, I'll try my home internet.
What's up?
I'm just giving you a hug.
Have you finished work?
Yeah,
You smell nice.
thank you. It's called tiredness.
This is my wife, everyone.
Shut up, I'm not your
I know.
wife.
I know. She's my bit on the side.
Daddy!
All right.
Stop it!
In fact, she calls me daddy. You
Stop!
Know. All right. Piss off,
That's not how you speak to your daughter.
Sarah. Yeah, that is unusual. That everything's. If you got 4G, it's on the phone. I haven't Twitch. I'll take it off mine. Turn this thing up. Twitch. I'm live. Oh, it's because I'm logged in as me. Well, having said that, it says I'm offline, but oh no, there you go. Hello. It must be a Twitch thing. I don't know. Are you using Android or are you using Apple? Although, yeah, it just says phone. I wonder if it's. I wonder if there's a way of suppressing you in Twitch. That would make sense. Oh, that wasn't meant to happen. Sorry. See, I started the thing early. We haven't even started the bloody stream. We're just chatting. But I wonder if you're banned on Twitch or something for chatting. I wonder if someone's reported you and there's been a restriction put in place on your account. Can you try a new account or a different account, or have you tried a different account? Oh, that's a no. Rather log in as Gary Meg, log in as Gary Meg Test. Because I've just that would be the only thing in my head that would make some sort of sense, that it's you that's blocked. Maybe OSK got fed up with you taking over the chat channel and just said, right, this guy's a spammer. Perhaps. Now that's odd as well, because that refresh is the things I've got running up there just aren't. I wonder if I should turn that off. Does that come out as very dark? Those are shit then. That's a shame. That really is a shame. I've got no batteries in here, have I? I do have batteries in here. I need to do something else then with lights. I don't like this top light. So I wonder if he's gone. Am I waiting for you to try this, Gary? Are you gonna try a different account? Because I can do. There's nobody else on, so. Or what you could do is come into Discord on a voice chat, and then I will at least talk to you, and then you can try a text chat in oh, this is Discord. Oh, he's just sent one up. Okay, so what I'll do is I've got let me just get started, and so main file, and maybe I'm gonna put it back on. I don't like this light, and the flicker will have to just be put up with. Don't know if that makes any difference actually. No, you definitely get that flicker. That brightens up my background, so I don't even think I need that on. And that will dull it back down. I wonder if there's an anti-flicker setting. Oh, that'll be on the webcams. Color space, flip, auto detect. Configure video. Oh. No, that's just. That's not going to really do anything. Although that. That's that one there. Configure video. Oh, it's got. Why is that set to PAL? NTSC. that seems to have smoothed that too. Let me minimize that. Okay, so right, generate sys loader. I'm not going to do anything special. Oops. Right, 10. Dollar. Right, so oh yeah, and I fixed it. I told you that's what it was. Yeah, I wonder if there's a way of getting your account reset. It's the only thing that made sense. If it wouldn't be internet, I knew that. Yeah, good. At least you know what it is, and that's the main thing. So I can minimize that now. So A2, A0, A1, and A0. Oh, I was looking at this earlier. Real-time Jiffy clock, A2, A0, A0, A1, and A2. So this is going to be hours equals $A0, minutes equals $A1, and seconds. No, it's not. That's minutes, seconds, and that's milliseconds. So if I do a loop, LDA, for an LDA, the milliseconds, I don't need dollar. Load milliseconds to all that dollar, 04, 06, 7. That will give me, that will just have one counting, and the other two just sat there because I've not done anything with them. Oh, and then I haven't said go back, but it does give me all three. Perfect. So that will be a loop, continuous loop, jump loop. So that will work. Yeah. And I need to include the sprites. Don't know how to remember. I can never bloody remember anything. Where's my jet fighter bomber? Main. So it is ink bin. Where am I going to put them? Oh, I know. Come on, there's 10. Because there's a colon, comma, true. And that's going to be put at 1 12288 divided by, oh no, E in hex is, it's going to 3000. So that's the sprites. So that is just going to do nothing else except just now loop and give me, put the sprites in. Nothing's jammed. That will just keep going up. That won't. Oh, that of course it will go up. It will go up because when it's filled up, and we've not told it to do anything yet. So so we can get that to count to. So that will be the display routine. No, display. So I just need that, and I'm going to be manipulating the rest. So yes. I don't need that, but I do need to put it somewhere. So I'm going to store them in that can go in there. No, sod it. No, I think that's okay. I think that was alright what I had. Because we're going to load them twice, but who cares? It's just for demo. So this will be LDA. No, oh, I see. Now that's the other thing, is I need to. You're in, but I'm not looking at it. Can only see 22 lines on the CPS screen. Oh, hang on. That's right. You can. Now, why is that? That will be because of that, I think. Oh, I know why. That is very odd. That should never have, I didn't move that. So that should give you the right size irrespective of how big I make it. It should always fill your seat. I've got it full screen now. Hasn't made any difference. So that's the reason why that oh, no. Oh, it's this. That's shit. Okay. Right. Okay. Sorry. That's my bad. So now you can see everything. So we're going to load minutes. We're going to CMP dollar 59 is 60 is 3C. Yep. BNE to what do I want to do? I just want to get the counter working first. So if I load this, if it's equal to 3C, then it's just going to go back to loop. When it is equal to 3C, hi Mark. No. So this will be back to loop, and then increase seconds will be here. What am I doing with that? I am resetting it's not it's MS. Oh crap, I've got this all back front. No, that's fine. Loading the milliseconds was right, and if it is there, we're going to display numbers. Otherwise it's going to go to inc seconds. If we're increasing the seconds, we want to reset that back to MS. We want to inc SS. We want to load SS. Compare that to 3C. And if that is equal to inc mins, yep. Otherwise jump to display numbers. And if so, then inc minutes will be the same, or will it? No, because if we go to minutes, I'm going to load, which means the seconds will also store that in MS, store that in SS, inc which is the minutes. Compare. Oh, we don't have to. We don't care about. We don't care about. Oh, do you know what? I'm just going to do that. I'm going to make them jump, so I don't even need to do that for the moment. So that will be jump back to loop. So that will jump, that will jump, that will jump, and I've got, okay, that should work, I think. In the top, B, C, D, E. Okay, so I've got it counting up, and that's a second. So what I need to do is, in basic, it will be a mod, because I want every that should go up to semicolon in the middle, and then go back to an @ sign, and the other one should go to A. There we go. So that counts a minute. So because of that, because that's increasing, to do the reverse, so that means I know that's working. So if I have in here if I have that and I set at the beginning oh, what's the number? Will it be 3C, which is 60? I think it will, because when I first do it, it's going to take away. Oh no, it'll be 59, because it will take away nothing. So that's 3B, and store that in tenths. Store that in seconds. LDA hash dollar. Let's just say OA. Store that in minutes. Oh, minutes. That gives me 10 minute, a 10 minute 10:00. So then what I want to do is in display numbers. No, I want to do a calculate. JMP calc timer. Let's do that. And then in here JMP. So that's still okay. That needs to be altered. This will be dollar. This will be series 001. This will be 002. The timer will be we're going to load, we're going to subtract. No, I need to clear the carry first. Shut up. We're going to subtract dollar. Let's just do the second one because I don't know. Oh no, let's do the seconds because I can wait a second. So we're going to do subtract the contents of SS from that, store that. No, that's not going to work. No, that's not going to work. I need to. This will always be 60. Set carry for track. Thank you. Yep, that's what I wanted to do. I knew it was something wrong. This won't be it. This won't be the contents. This will always be 60. Because we're gonna. This will increase by 1 second. This will always be 60. So as this gets to 60, it will end up being 0, and we can store that in dollar. Oops, C001, and then we want to jump to. No, I'm going to change that. I mean, I'm going to do them now as RTSs, as just subroutines. Because already it's starting to feel a bit messy. So RTS, this will be a JSR, this will be a JSR, this will be a JSR. So we calculate the timer, and then we're going to go to the jump to the end of the loop. At least it keeps it logical and tidy. And end loop. Oh, I don't need to. This will be end loop. JSR display numbers. JMP loop. the contents of that place. No, don't care about. Only care about the middle, and that's not doing anything. Oh, no, it is. I have a countdown, which means based on that, I can do this 3 times. Oops. Two, 1, 0. This will be. This won't be. This will be. Let's say we'll do a 5-minute timer. This will be ms for milliseconds. This will be minutes, and then I just need to put them in. Oh no, they're in the right place. So that should just, I'll put them as words now. That's minutes. Minutes, seconds, tenths. Could have done milliseconds in hindsight. It will give us 6 minutes, I've just realised. Yep. Tenths. And then conversely, I can do the same here. Tenths. Seconds. And minutes. So that's 4 minutes 59. That's 4 minutes 60. So when that starts, that'll be. I just now need to. Perfect. Now the bit I'm not sure of. So oh, I had a thing for this. How did 2 seconds? Because I did it on Bomber title screen. Simple way of doing the ST. The title screen I did. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So I can copy that and no, it's this one I want. Yeah, it's this one. So start, so I can do, oops, oh crap, didn't copy it. Set the sprite pointers. No, that's actually incorrect. It's the X position. Title Y. Oh, it is. It's there. It is. That's why. So so the sprite X. So I've got 8 sprites. So that's up to 7. Okay, so that'll give me that positioned nicely. I'll just have to now set the pointers. I've got to work out where the pointers are. Oh man. So I can do it in BCD. What's BCD? Oh, can you do it in BCD? In decimal, easy to convert to numbers then. Don't know. I truly don't know. Let's where have I used BCD? I've used it in the score on Bomber. Oh, that might be in my routines. Score text, display number, add score, SCD, set decimal mode. So that'd be 6 numbers in decimal mode, of which I would then have to calculate each individual number coming down, which means that but we still okay, so that none of that matters for the moment. So the loop, so put minutes, seconds and tenths into decimal mode, easy to convert to numbers then. That is true. Now I've got to think about how to do that. So okay, so I can, when I increase the seconds, no, I've got to figure that out. I don't understand how this is going to work. So I've got it adding a score and storing that. Then I add another one, scoring that. So points scored is just going to be a number. Okay, which means then so that's going to be the same as that. If I'm going to I have no idea. Do I have voice chat on here? How do I do that? We've got voice chat on Discord. Oh, does that mean I need to I can't add you, can I? Oh, come on to mine. Come on to my Discord. Let me make up a stream a voice channel, streaming channel, create channel. Right, that's done. How do I... Oh, invite Gary, Meg 10. No, nothing there. Copy. Try that. Oh, carrot. No, just Gary and Meg on Discord. So sorry. Invite sent. But oh, it is working as well. I can use both. Oh, actually, if you're on OSKs, are you on OSKs? You are. Let me just hang up. I'm just going to OSK's live share channel. I can't drag you. Can I drag you in? I can't drag you in there. So where are you going? Oh, there you go. You're in.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, no, I don't hear. Noise suppression like crisp. What is wrong with turn on camera? Mute. No, I don't want to mute. Why can't I hear you? Oh, user settings. Video and voice. It says creative labs. I did hear it start, but I don't hear you. It's picking me up.
I can hear you through the voice chat, but it's just crackling on my laptop.
Let me turn on my headset. Let's see if I can get you to come out through this. Speakers. Right. You sound terrible. That is really, really bad if that's you, Gary. Oh! Yeah, there's a lot of crackling in the background. Okay. Yeah, every time you talk, it's picking up something from somewhere. I think it might be the microphone, actually. No, I don't hear a word you're saying. Oh! Talk? Oh, no. I thought it was going to be. I heard you tap very clearly. Oh, there we go. Yeah. It's not feeding back. It sounds like you're far away in a bucket. What? Oh, are you? Right. What, so you're not driving right now, are you? Right. You just parked up overnight somewhere. Oh, right, interesting. That's amazing. This is my office during the day, and then I've just carried on. Um, yeah, so binary, I not binary, the decimal thing, I have done it, so I know I can pick up a number and then use decimal, but I'm gonna have to change the way it counts then, aren't I? I have to use the jiffy to do the trigger, and then for it to increase the number, each number by the right amount. So the seconds will always be 0 to 9, and then the tenths of the 10-second one will be 0 to 5. Okay, let's try that. If I can't get my head around what we're trying to do though. So let me just minimize that. I know we have to go SED and clear the carry to set decimal. So this is going to be all gone. Let me oh. Yeah. Yes. That is well, in that case, this whole thing can be in decimal mode. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm about to do. So until we get to the end of yes. No, it's not SED, it's CLD, isn't it? So this will be now 5.9. This will be 5.9. So that puts it in, and then it's no. I'm just saying. So I've put in SED at the beginning of the loop, which will put it into decimal mode. It loads everything it needs to, and then it clears it from decimal mode just at the display numbers, which is, and then it jumps back to the loop, which will set it again. So oh yes, it will be that this yes. Where is... oh, it's untitled. Sounds like COVID. I just spoke to somebody, one of our guys at work. He's just started with a business. He's had COVID, and that doesn't sound like a nice thing at all to have. Right. That's bookmark thing. What was that? Yeah. Yeah, that didn't work. So it's... Oh. I wonder if that was me doing something. Yeah, that's... But that might be because... do you know what I'm going to do? Is just I'm going to do this. Store dollar. No, you're very quiet. I don't hear you. I don't know. Right, so that is counting. Yeah, this decimal mode is very new to me, so so that is still counting up. Oh, who's that? Oh, is it? Well, you're still very... Oh, well, you're very clear still, so... So, milliseconds is still counting up. But it's not increasing it. So for my score, I have... Oh, it does it off... Yeah. So for my add score, so this is my add score routine. It clears, it loads the points, adds it with a carry to score 1, stores it in score. Okay. So this is the way I've done it is it will just keep adding up. It will do an add with a carry to go to each column. Because if the carry set, it'll spill over and it adds it in that way. Yes. Yeah. Yes. So, I wonder if I should wipe this. Yeah. Hmm. Um. I'm not sure because decimal mode is new to me. I hadn't even considered doing this. So that's set 500 into C001 and 2. Then we changed the decimal mode. Then we're loading A2, which is a Jiffy timer. Let's load A1 because it's a lot slower. Oh no, let's load A2. So A2 doesn't care about decimal. No, A2 is milliseconds. Yeah, correct. Yeah. So I should be able to still get it to click over. So let me just put in. No, I don't either. But load branch if equal. No, CMP hash dollar 3 C BNE loop. So that's still in non-decimal mode. And then when it's there, we're gonna inc $A1, and that will give me a second count. Then if I set this to decimal mode, oh, hang on a minute. No, you're right. Hang on, I've just realised what you could do. So if I set this to be decimal, and I load A2, and store that in C002. No. Yes. Do I need to? Hash $09 branch if it's equal to add so add next one. So if I've got that counting to 9, we want to increase I wonder if that would. Let me just see if this works. Right, it is doing something, but it's very slow. Now I wonder if that should be 10. Let me see if that makes it quicker. No, no, it's not right. It's doing something, but wonder if I should. Do I need that? That's definitely gone slower. I just want to see how it's counting. Do we need to compare? I don't know. Yes, otherwise it's just going to go up to 10, 20, 30. It will go up to 100 or 99. Yeah, I think so. Yes. So at the moment, the accumulate is at the moment the accumulator is not changing. It's always staying at D9. Okay, let me just do a oopsie. Oopsie. Right, so at the moment the accumulator is at 5. Oh, and it yes it will be, because that was the last thing it loaded. So then it's at 4C. That's not changing. what if I oh, it doesn't like that. If I don't put that in, the accumulator change. Oh yeah, the accumulator is definitely changing on this one. It's definitely counting up. So this will be load. So if I go back to SED, okay, the it's working. That's look at my memory. 5940 basic bytes free. I don't know what's going on there. Look, 5940 basic bytes free. It's a VIC 20. So this is counting it up. I should just go on infinitum now. I've not got it to reset. Yes, that's right. Oh, but it didn't reset it. No. No. No, it's minutes, seconds, and milliseconds is A2, A1, and A0 in that order. Yeah. Oh, no, no, no. That's because you're looking at it counting from 0 to 255. You have to stop it at 60. And that's why you're seeing 4.5 seconds. So if I fix this, you will see. Yeah. So the original one was, which was this. Oopsie. What have I done? I had done, but it was locking. So I'm setting it as you go into, before you go into the loop, and then I was leaving it. Yes. So, right. I thought so, and then this would also be in binary, which would give me, yeah, yeah, which is what I've just done. Then it loads 0 into A2, and it increases A1. Yes. Seconds. Yes. Well, you do need to touch A2, otherwise A2 will stay being, it will continue to count. So we need to reset that back to 0 so it counts up to another 59. Correct. So it always counts up to 59. Oh no, I'm lying, aren't I? It's not 59. It's going to be, it's 100. Because it's 100 milliseconds. Yes. Yes. Every 100 milliseconds. Which is what I haven't done. I've been setting it to 59 milliseconds, and actually that needs to be 4, 5, I don't know. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I should do that. Keep it simple. $1.64. $1.64. No, it's not. $1.64 is 100. So oh, is it? Right, that looks. I'm trying to work out if that is a second. No. No. Well, I can't. I'm sure there's probably a way. Yeah. Oh, no, this is a GIF. Oh, okay. No, there's a CIA one, isn't there? Yeah, that's what I thought I was going to be using. So this will give me a fast count. Oh, no, it's not. That's what I was trying to do. It wasn't displaying. Oh, when you say store A2, what in why doesn't that see it? The original one was this. So I had it although this doesn't work now. Because I think I've got the calculator, calc timer, that's what I've done. Here it is. Yeah, so this was the original one. But I still wonder. I wonder if it is. Is it milliseconds in OA, in A2? Okay, it says real-time Jiffy clock. Oh no, I was right. Approximately 1/60th of a second. So I don't count to 100. I count to 59. 00 to 59 is approximately 1 second. So A2, 61 of those makes up 1 second. So I shouldn't need to display that. I should just need to be able to display the seconds and the minutes. So it's not tenths. 33cc. So I think this is right. The problem is it's not in. So I actually, do you know what? I could do a really dirty way of doing it and then smooth it out later. I could do where it does the calculating of the timer. So because of that, I don't care about this. So I'm only displaying minutes and seconds. Now then, so if I've got it in numbers, and then you said about decimal, I can't convert it to. I'm sure you're right, you know, with the decimal thing. What? Right, so let's do that in this one. So if I don't know. I don't know. We put loop. Oops. So if I set to decimal mode, no, wrong. Your CBM Prog Studio won't go into 6502 mode. What does that mean? Oh, I don't know what that is. Yeah, mine does. I don't know what it means. Oh? That must be something to do with the Super CPU then. It's made some changes. Yeah, you're on the beta, aren't you? I don't know. I'm running 13.14.1 beta 1. Oh, he must have brought it out in that, or maybe I don't know. So you said if I'm in decimal mode and I load $A2 and store that at 04. Yeah. No, it's counting through the whole lot. No, it should be fine because I'm just storing what's in the accumulator into. Hang on. I don't know. But it's certainly not See, the decimal mode I thought was when you started doing maths calculations. Yes. It'll go back to 0. But and chucks 1 in the carry. Yeah, but that's because 1 goes into the carry. The 1 definitely goes into the carry. Let me so if I do a restart and Control L, so the carry is cleared. I'm going to step through this, cleared the carry, loading A2, it's at B3, storing that and jumping back. Actually, I'm always clearing the carry. Sorry. Oh, hang on. Where is it? No, I've got it on here. I just don't see why it's... I'm just going to remove this and re-add it. No, I'm not. Oh, it's because it's looking for another one. don't know why. Oops. So, if I do a restart, right, that will. So, loading A2. So it did jump to 85. But it's not. It's certainly going up to it's going all the way up to 255. I don't think this is right. I think that if so on my score this is what I've got for adding the score. Oops. It's this bit here. So this is where I store the points to be added, and I just add it with a carry to score 1, stores it to store 1. I load. Oh. How does that work? I don't understand how this works. Because we're adding nothing apart from what's in the carry. Oh, so if the carry's set, that will increase by 1. So this must add with a carry. Yes. 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 But that's it. This is the only time that I've used decimal. Correct. Yes. But then what I could do is if I load the score, store the score in 1, I load it, check if it's hit 59, set the carry, and then add it to the next column. So that's kind of what I'm describing, what I'm saying here. I need to set the carry. Branch if equal, increase minutes. So we're resetting that timer. And I don't want to increase minutes. I want to set the carry and then add and I think then in theory I would do the same here. I wouldn't increase that. I would set the carry. No, that's we've just looked at that. It's still counting up in. So I need to set the carry, add with carry, nothing, and then store that in SS, SED, wrong, CLD. This will be SED. Has that made got my fingers in the wrong place? Yes, it is. So this will be SED, and then adding nothing. CLD. I'm going to put CLD there. And this, the milliseconds, I think means nothing because I don't care about them. No errors. Bollocks. Changed once. Oh. Do I need to clear the carry? I might have to run this through debugger. So it definitely makes one change. Oh, it seems to get stuck down there. So if I step it there through there, do a 11, restart, run. Right, so we've got that's setting it all up. That's setting up the sprites. Oh, I should have just put it there. Do a restart. Right, so it's now stuck at A2. Loading A2. It's at 37. What's on A2, 59 in decimal is 1 second. Correct. I thought I was in decimal mode though. I thought so. Let me just check. Yes, you're right. That needs to be changed to 3C. Yes. Yes, but it's going to count down from 60 down to 0, which is my full 60 seconds, and at 60 at 0, 0 it will reset it back to okay, I thought I was resetting it back. Increasing seconds. Oh, okay, is that what it's doing? Right, so it's... Oh, I wonder if I don't need this. Right, so that's stopped at that point. So what I need to do is put a breakpoint in there. It's hit 3B. It's hit it. It's hit 59. I'll tell you the other thing I should try and do is A1 is... Oh, it's here. So, right, it's certainly counting up to... It's not increasing. It's not increasing A2, A1. It's just not increasing it. Yeah, but it's not. It isn't increasing it. Is what my point is. It's not doing the. Yes. But when it's getting to, when it's meeting 3B, and it's going to the ink settings, this bit is not adding a 1 to A2. Oh, sorry, A1. It's not adding a. It's not adding. It's not increasing 1 by A1. Well, I do, because it's not. That's what's my point. It's not increasing. Something's not right. Now let me just show you. Yes, but well, I do if it's not increasing at all. Here, I'll show you. This is right. So when it's compared, it will jump to 0837. So at this point, this is where I want to stop it at the very beginning. So if I no, I don't think so, because I don't think it's using that as a timer. So if I run this, right, it's now hit 3B. So the timer's got to 3B, and it's going to reset. So the carrier's got 1 in it. So if I carry's still in it, carry's still set to 1. I'm adding with the carry 0 and storing that in A1. And A1 is set up 4 at the moment, and now it's gone down to 1. And now it's going back, and now it's been set back to 1 again. It's not counting. I was expecting that to be increasing each and every time. Well, I'll tell you what I could do. I could cheat. Do you know what? That's an amazing idea. That's an absolutely outstanding idea. I'm worrying about A1, A2 and A3, A0, A1, A2. All I care about is A2. That's all I care about. The milliseconds. That's all I care about, because what I'll do is I'll just do a manual counter in other places. Well, I was trying to use A2 and A1. So yes, no, I was but I was trying to get this to subtract from the seconds and this to subtract from the minutes. Sorry, A0 to subtract from the minutes, so the counter worked. But yeah. No, I'm not going to use decimal mode. I can't do it in decimal mode. It's really screwing me up. But I can do it this way. So I have this counting in milliseconds. And when I want to increase the seconds, I'm going to low seconds. I'm going to have high seconds. I'm going to have, oh, I don't care about minutes. This is the one that's is hurting me. So what I will do is this. Start, don't care about that. Delete, in seconds. So every time it hits that, it's going to branch and increase seconds. So I'm going to load, I'm going to ink low seconds. I'm going to then load low seconds. I'm going to compare it to hashtag A, BEQ, increase high seconds. Otherwise, jump loop cont, and loop cont will be here, and that will be JSR display numbers. Displaying the numbers will now be LDA high seconds, LDA low seconds, 0405. So so I've got high seconds equals tenths. I don't think I really need tenths, but I'll leave it for. Okay, that's okay. So now, when I've got the increase high seconds, this will be LDA hash 0 0 STA low seconds, inc high seconds, load high seconds, CMP hash dollar 05, which will be 5. Oh, I have a book for that. Here. It is Click Editor, Vic Display, Commodore 64. It is it's control and square left bracket and control this right. That's slowing the emulation speed down. And it was on the first page. I went to the last page and it was on the first page. So this will compare it to 9. If that is branch equal branch equal to increase minutes, otherwise jump. Oops. It's counting up at the moment. I don't care about that, because what I'll do is I'll do another calculation that will reverse all this. In here it's increase minutes. So I will load 00, store that in high seconds, because that will reset that back to 0. Inc minutes. Is that right? Is it minutes? Yes. So now I've done that. Yes. Let's see if, oh crap. See if there's any errors. There's an error. Store seconds of, oh, STA calc timer. Let's just, I'm not invoking the timer. Let's mem that out. Oh, line 11. Oh, that's why. So this will be low seconds. I think it's this one. High seconds. I'm going to sort this out. I don't think that's right. I think it should be 59. But no errors. And oh, it's doing something. It's not doing something right. So, what have I got? just going to make it a count up a timer for the moment. So what am I doing? Loading MS, which is A2. It's loading A2, it's comparing it to 3B. If it's equal, it's increasing seconds. Otherwise, it's displaying the numbers and then jumping back. If it's equal to displaying them, if it's increasing the seconds, we're increasing the load seconds, loading it, checking that it's equivalent to 10, which is why I've set them back to 0. If it is 10, we're hoofing it back, otherwise we increase it, go back to loop, continue, do the display. I wonder if that was the reason why it wasn't working as I was expecting. I don't understand why it's changing everything at the same time. So no, I do need to increase it at the beginning. I'm increasing low seconds. Oh, no, that, I think I thought so. Oh, hang on. No, I know what it is. I've not reset the counter. Every time I want to increase that needs to go back to ODL-0 and store that in MS. No. Oh. Crap. Oh, hang on, that's H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is 8. Right, do you see that's counting? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got the compare wrong. The compare is 1 out. I just dropped that back down to A. That means that will have to be a 6. So the problem is, oh, I know what I need to do as well then, is no, it's because I think the clock's already running. So if I reset it just before the loop, I think that will fix that very long. There you go, look. Yes. Correct. 0A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 21, 22, 23. Right, look at that. It's working. Lovely. That's fine. It's working. It's up to C. I'm on D at DA, B, C. See, do you know what would be better? I wonder if you could You could do this. You're on Discord, aren't you? On the chat. Can you see Discord? I wonder if I do this. Yeah, but then I won't be able to do it on Twitch. No, but what I wonder if I can disable this. Oh no, it's no, I was going to disable the camera, but it's done it. 1 minute, 1 minute 42 or 43, 44. I've got it counting. Oh, that's perfect. So you must have seen it flip over by now if you're 15 seconds behind. Yeah, but it's got A at the beginning or B. Yeah, which is before it was at. Or was it? Yeah, it should do. Because that's the first one is the minutes. And then it's tenths of seconds. Yeah. So that's 2 minutes something. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have... I don't need tenths. I'm going to have countdown mins equals $C003. Oops. Count down high seconds equals $P004. Which what is? Sorry. Yeah, I'll turn it off. Yeah, it's my mistake. It's the way I've got the broadcasting stuff. So I'm going to alter those two around because then that makes sense. Oops. So I've got countdown minutes, countdown high seconds, countdown low seconds equals $5, 3, 4, and 5. So now then. Okay, then we're going to have timer mins equals, I don't know, bytes $0.05 timer high sex bytes $00 and timer low sex bytes $00, because I can just do simple maths now to fix this, and then whatever these numbers are, they will correspond to the sprite pointers, and I can do maths for the sprite pointer to display the right thing, and I think that will fix it. Yep. So I don't need to display this in the sprite numbers on the screen anymore. I do need to no sprites. Oh no. It doesn't take long to I just these are the sprites I've made. Nothing special. I found a font and just drew them quickly. So I've got them, set them to go across the X, and sprite Y loop is going to be LDA I think 40. It's 96, 64. No, let's go higher than that. 80 is 96, isn't it? No. Oh, it's 128. That'll do. LDX hash dollar 00. Got that wrong. Oops. So we're going to set title sprite Y. We're going to set title sprite Y loop is going to go here. We're going to store A at $D001, comma X, INX, and INX. Oh, that's what I did. Hang on, let's do it the same. Go to 7, 2 DXs, because that goes to the next thing. We're going to DE. Oh. Hang on, I'm loading it Y with 7, loading X with 10. Oh, that's why. Yeah. Yeah, that's my mistake. I'm storing A. That's not going to work. Yes, it is. I know what I'm doing. I need to load A here. With 3A. That'll get it onto the screen, so I need to do the same here. LDA hash dollar 3A. No, this is the height. So this will be 80. LDY hash dollar 07. LDX is, oh, it's nothing. Oh, fucking that there. I don't need that. I just DEY. Oh, no, I do need it. No, I don't. I'm making this too complicated. It's F. That's what I was going too complicated. Sprite enable is what? Sprite enable is 53248, 53269. 53269 is DO15. So LDA $DO15 and or hash percent $DO15. That should turn them all on. Just haven't set the pointers. Now this is the bit that fucks me up. It's the with the sprite pointers. So it's, yes, yeah, it's I've put it into 3000. Hey? No, it's this is good for learning as well. Oops. Tools. Oh, I see. Well, there's one built into CBM Studio. Look, screen calculator. Oh, that's what. That's a position. Sorry, that's a position. So, what's it called? Vic2 Help. Oh, Vic2 Calc. DD00. Isn't that your No, your character set's at D000 in the ROM, I think. I don't know. Yeah, I've just had that as well. I don't understand it. Anyway, so what does a good reference manual give me? Turning sprites on, sprites off, sprite pointers. Sprite pointers at the location of. So I'm in bank 0 plus a sprite pointer times 64. So I've put it in at oh, I haven't got them in here, have I? Yes, I have. 3000, which is 12288, I think. — 12288 is 3000. So in decimal, if I divide that by 64, got 192. So I need to I don't need this. 192. So I've got sprite pointers of 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've only got 8. Oh, so what am I doing? I don't care about the sprites. It's still going to be starting off 192. The sprite pointer starts off at 192 because then we do the maths. So sprite pointer is at 192. So so it's where we do the display. Pardon me? Yes. Yeah, because what I'm going do is no, I missed that. Yeah. Yes. So I'm going to load 192, add with carry, low seconds, STA, so we've got 2047. First sprite pointer is 2047, isn't it? 2048. I think it will be cleared, but it won't hurt to do it. Sprite pointer, the first one is at 2048. So if I store that at 2048 plus so sprite, we've got 00 colon 00 colon 678, so it's plus 8 7, which is what, 2055. That's the low seconds added in. Oh no, I don't need the low sec. Oh, I don't need them all, do I? It's going to be minute colon second second, so it's only 4 I need. 2048, 49, 50, 51. And then if I do the same, this is a messy way of doing it, but it will work. High seconds. That'll be 2050. And then this will be minutes. Wrong, I'm lying. It's going to be, yes, I'm going to make it count up for the moment. Minutes. This will be 2048. And I will set 2049 LDA 19 192 202 and store that in 2049 hash. Store tenths in line 10. I don't need that. That means the sprites aren't on the screen. Oh. It's definitely saying 5940. It doesn't like something. See, that runs at 38911. Don't know. I don't know. It's something to do. This debugger is saying something different. Right, it's not picking up the sprites for a start. So the sprites are down here. No, that means they're across, but they're not down. So this, oopsie. Yes, that's what I did. Yeah, yeah. Right, so it is working. Let's just do it that way then. I'm going to do the calculation in here. I'll leave the sprites for the moment. So I don't. Okay, so if I do that and we're storing it in there. And we're going to go 05. That one. That's going to be 4. And then we're going to do the same again. Down here. So then I'm now going to do, oh hang on, that's not right. We're loading the minutes, we're doing that. I need to load the seconds and then do that. And then we're loading the low seconds, which is exactly the same, but it's going to be low seconds. And then I should be able to, oops, 0444. So it's going to be dollar, oh I don't know, 0404. No, I haven't finished yet. Plus 40. So that's going to be 042C. 042C. This will be 04. O42B, and this will be SDA $0249. So I've got what now? What did you say? Yeah. Yes. I want to store it in the low seconds. You're right. Now then, I'm expecting that to give me two timers, of which one is going up and the other one is conversely going down. Numbers are out, but it's doing it. So that will be a D, that will be a C, that will be an A. So hex 024A. Oh, 04. 042A. Oh crap. 42A is 1066. If I plus another 40, $1186, which is 4A2. 4A2. That's funny. 4A2, 4A4, 4A5. That shouldn't interfere with the front screen. It's counting down. Which is great. So I do have those right. So what I want to do now is I'm just interested in getting the sprites on the screen. So if I store that and just go RTS, oopsie, my maths is right. One, two, three, four. 4 sprites on the screen. Why are they going lower and lower and lower and lower? You'll see it in a minute. I have 4 sprites on the screen. I have more than 4 sprites. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is blue, 6. I've done something wrong. I was expecting them to go horizontally across, but they're in the same column, on different rows. So I've got something a bit wrong here. I should have 8, and they're not pointing to the right place, which I haven't set up yet. So, do you know what? Rather than be clever, let's just do it dirty. So, let's get rid of this lot. LDA hash dollar 80 STA dollar D001 STA dollar one three five 7 9 A C E. So that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And then if I LDA hash 40, yeah, that's for the Y position. No. X is, yeah, I'm doing the Y one first because it's the same number. So this will be on the 80th pixel down, or whatever it is, the equivalent, 128. So they're all going to be the same, on the same row. And now I'm about to put them onto different columns. So if I LDA hash dollar 80 60 LDA hash 80. Got so used to doing dollars. STA 04 LDA hash 100 STA 6. So it's 1 2 3 4 LDA hash 120 STA 8 LDA hash 140 STA LDA hash 160 STA dollar DOC LDA hash 180 STA dollar DOOE. That should be 8 as well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that should put them all on the same column, same row, different columns, I hope. But pointing to the wrong place, not set the colours. Oh, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, D00. Oh, that's where I've gone wrong. B D F. That's why I went wrong. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 8 little sprites sitting in a row. What I'll do is I'll do that as 70. Yeah. Correct. I've just set the Y's before I set the X's. It's alright. It's no one's mistake. Yeah, it was just easier to set the accumulator once and store the Y in one foul swoop. Yes. Yeah, but I'd also done the verticals wrong. So when you mentioned it, I rechecked it. There you go, there's a bit of space now. And colours. the colours are individual, but they're at 5D027, so I'm going to set that to be white. So if I go LDA $$ STA $D027, changing them all to be the same. They're all going to be white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all white in the back. 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E. That should give me 8 pointers, 8 sprites at the same place. Now that was saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know, I'm just doing it dirty at the moment because I just want to get it working and get the proof of concept. So now I want to... Now you see, I don't think this is right. In hex is 12288. Oh, I wonder if I can't put it there. What was the question? Yes, it's at the bottom here. Oh, actually, I wonder if I think it does do it anyway. It won't hurt putting it here. Well, I probably got the sprite pointer numbers wrong. Poke 2048, 192. 4A equals 255 to 64, step -1, poke 2048, A, next. Oh, I didn't pick anything. Yeah, I should be able to see them in that. Well, I will. I'll be able to see it because at 3000, now you see the pointers are shown at FF. Control Shift. You see here's the sprite data at 3000. So if I go to if I go down to 2048, oh, that means I need to go to, oops, here, if I go to 2004, oh, here it is, look, it's not set. What's 192 in des? In hex? It's not that then. This is screen RAM. This is the start of my normal thing. So this is. How do I alter these sprite pointers? So the math is meant to be the bank times 16384. Where's sprites? Sprite priorities, positioning, pointers. Where's sprite? Where is it? Positioning. Right, it's the reference manual says sprite pointers. The maths is the bank, which is bank 0 times 16384, plus the sprite pointer value times 64. So the maths will be, it should be the location of the memory, because if I go print 192 times 64, it's 12288, which is where I stored the thing, and I'm sure that maths is right. Oh, hang on, I haven't set them, have I? Well, I've not even set this one. That should give me the very first sprite to be a 0, but it's not picking it up. It's not setting it. Go on, what's the question? You're very faint again. I wonder if I can't load it there. Oh no, because that means switching the screen and everything around. It's I'm not. Yeah, that's what the banks are. You've got 4 Vic banks, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And I'm just using the normal bank that we would use. I thought we couldn't use 8000. I thought 12288 was fine. Yeah, that's what I've been looking at. 832. Oh, I'm a cock. I'm a cock. No, I've sussed it. I've sussed it. I was using the wrong address. I was just being an absolute muppet. I was using 2048, not 2040. Look, there you go. This was changing because it's looking at my program. So, so this means this will probably work now. So, yeah, I've got one. I used the wrong one. So 20192. I want 192. I want 202, which is the colon, and that's going to go into 2041. That's the only one it's going to go in. Oh, I don't need 8 sprites either, do I? I'll just turn the last bottom 4 off. One too high. Oh! Oh, hang on, I've not imported enough sprites. That's me then. I was right. I just hadn't imported it. There's my colon. So what I want to do now is display the right sprite. I don't need to use this. So where I've got that, I'm going to I've got the right number in the accumulator. I think that's right. Oh, I've got RTS in. Okay, so my maybe this still isn't right. No. Right, so I've got the right number in there. This is either going to be 9 to 0. I want to add that. I'm just cleared it 2044. It's not changing. Yeah, but I've cleared it. It's just not changing. It's less. This number's changing. Because I'm seeing it on the screen. And I'm adding the carry to the number 192. So when it's a 9, that should be 201. And then I'm storing that in 2044. Right, let me just make sure that It's not getting there. Something's stopping it from going down there. I've put this one here. I've set the pointer to be 202. So if I put in hash 201, STA 2044, LDA hash 2 0 19 2 3 4 5 6. Oh no, it's not 44, is it? I'm a fucking idiot. It's 3 2 2 2 3 4 5 6. That means I think that's a 7. No. Yeah, but I think I'm also I just made a mistake. I think I was using the wrong pointer, which is why I wanted to show the numbers up on this. Yeah. Oh, you've come back. Really clear again. It's much clearer this way. Yeah, oh yeah. All right. Right. Oh, okay. I don't know why this sprite isn't showing. That's very good, man. Right. Oh, look, that one's moving up. Yes, I have too. I can see them. I don't know. I something's. I'm just gonna look at it. Yeah, it's. I've got maths wrong. I think 13579. I am now, yes. So that proves that that one was wrong. And if I display the numbers, yeah, I don't know why. It's not showing. It's on warp mode. I'm still not. Oh, I don't know. I haven't got it in the sleep, have I? No. So I think if I rem this slot out. Yeah. I haven't done that. I'm just trying to get the numbers to count down. Yes. Yeah, and I've so that is to go. That goes there. I'm trying to do the low count on the seconds because the maths is different for the higher count. I need to delete 8, 7, 6. There we go. Right, perfect. Perfect. Which means now the high seconds is now then the high seconds is it's not 9, it's a 5. Right, so that's showing, but this isn't right now. So why is this not right? So where's the debugger put in sprite number 4? Oops. It is going down, but I don't know why it's off the screen here. So this is wrong. I know. Well, I don't know what's I can't. Oh, it's 7. It's got to be that should be a 4 then. So I've got the right numbers displaying. I just need to now figure out why it's moving it. Yeah, but I don't know why. I'm not deliberately moving it. That's the colon. That's why I don't see it on the screen. But I did originally. So if it is sprite number 3, yeah. So if I put an RTS in here, yes, Yeah, so I've got the right sprites on here. And if I poke 2040, comma 192345, that should give me a 4. Oh, oopsie. 6. And this will be a 7. Oops, no, it's 07. Oh, fucking hell, 197. And this will be 1201. It's 459. So the sprites are all there, and they're in the. Oh, I'll tell you what I can do. I don't need all these sprites. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. But I still don't know why that's moving up. I'm going to have to run debug on it. Because something's pushing it up. Low seconds. Oh no, look, here we go. Look, do you see that? I'm a bell end. I've put the wrong values down. I put D and not 3. Fucking hell. You're just so, yeah. There we go. So what I've got now is, it's not moving, but I've got a wrong sprite on. I haven't. So that's a 4, and that's going to be a 2040. I do believe we've got a working sprite countdown. I've got the wrong number. I don't know why I've got that number wrong. Oh, I do know why. I know why. It's no, I need to. It's no. I'm fixing a fault rather than actually. I'm fixing a visual thing rather than fixing the fault. That should be a 4. This should be a 5, and this should be a 9. This should be. I think that's a. No, it's a 191. No, it's not. It's a 192. I need to. Yeah, but this is what this what I want it is. When I load the accumulator, I want that to be what's appearing, and it's not working right. It is because I think I've got a 0 at the beginning, and I think, although I don't know why this one works then. I'm just going to check. No, you see that works as I was expecting. I don't know why. It's the high seconds is wrong. High seconds and minutes is wrong. Yes, it is wrong. Because they need to start at... I need to set them. I think that's where I set my time. 4:59. Oh no, it's not. No, I'm not talking about. It's 5 minutes. I need to start this at 5. I think that's what I need to do. So now my maths is wrong. So I've got 500, because that's what I want to count down. I've got 500. Oh, hang on. No. So this is 000. So I'm counting. So this is causing this is making my count. So everything's set to 0. So after 1 second, low seconds will be at 1. So this is the countdown part. So the countdown will be, we're loading into it 1. So this should be 0. This is the actual count I want. Which should match the opposite of that. And when I've got 1 second in low seconds, nothing gets deducted apart from in here. I'm loading it into 1. Hang on. I'm loading it into 1, and then I'm subtracting 1 from... Right, yeah. So this isn't going to be right. So I'm loading it in 0. I'm subtracting... I am here, down here. Yeah, but I'm just worried about the seconds at the moment. Because I haven't got any maths involved. I'm literally doing a display. So when I'm subtracting a 1 from 0, I'm getting FF in countdown low seconds. And I want it to go to 9. Okay, so what I'll do is, I'm just about to. Yeah, but I was going to compare it to #FR25. that went wrong. Started off right. Oh, you cock. Oh no, let's not load it twice. I don't think. I think I needed to store it. No, that's not right either. Well, let me go back to how it was. Yeah. Yeah, it's I know what's caused me the issue, and it's because I've done the sprites 0 to 9 and not 1 to 0. I think that would have fixed it. But I might just alter the order of it another time. But that is working. That's what I wanted to do tonight. Hey? Oh yeah, to clear the screen. Yeah. But that's working. That's going all the way down. So that means I've achieved my objective. So let me just stop the stream. And I hope you enjoyed watching the crap that I had to go through. We were full of chats tonight because nobody watches. Stop.